This is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I will share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. So starting with a very small yet convenient trick. So if you will tap anywhere at the viewfinder and wait for a few seconds. Once the sun icon appears, you can drag it to the bottom to reduce the exposure, or vice versa to the top to increase it. So if you would like to make your shot brighter or dimmer, you can do that just like that. Now let's quickly explore what available camera modes we have here, what interesting camera modes rather. So for example, you can shoot dual video from both selfie and main cameras at the same time. You can change you can swap them in terms of placement, or you can change the layout, drag it and put it where you like it to be. You can also reduce this window or increase it as you please, so you can customize this mode to a very great extent. Now if you'll go into the more section of modes, you can also find the Pro mode, which allows you to manually adjust the exposure value, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, autofocus, and whatever ME stands for. So if you would like to gain more manual control over the pictures that you shoot, or you simply are looking for a particular scene setup which cannot be achieved through the automatic camera tuning, just go for the Camera Pro mode. That's something you will find useful. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you could have already noticed the 108 megapixel mode, so I'll just go ahead and take a photo in the regular resolution mode, so AI cam, and then I'll enable the 108 megapixels lens to take an identical photo. And we'll go ahead and compare them to see how different they actually are and how better the 108 megapixel lens actually is. So this photo is the regular photo mode. You can tell that its resolution is 3K by 4K. So that's the furthest I can zoom in, which is pretty far. You can see that the level of details here is pretty fine. I mean, for a phone like this, it's actually decent. Now when it comes to the high-res mode, I should be able to zoom in further, and here the level of details is also significantly and noticeably higher, or at least it should be. And if we'll go into the photo details, you'll see that the resolution of this image is literally 3 times as much in terms of dimensions at the very least. So 3K by 4K, and this one is 9K by almost 13K. Now let's explore additional camera settings and see what interesting options you have here. So for example, you can enable the notify about dirty lens option, which will make sure that you will always have your camera lens clean, and the dirt and gunk on the lens will not stand in the way of you taking, well, whatever photos you want to with this phone. Or you can also enable the scan QR codes option, which is also pretty self-explanatory. Once enabled, it will automatically detect and process whatever QR codes you will point your camera viewfinder at. So you will not need to install any third-party QR code scanners or use Google Lens perhaps. You can just launch your stock default Tecno camera app and simply point it at the QR code you would like to scan, and it will be automatically processed. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.